Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PDF using Google. First, open your Google Docs document or begin a new one from scratch. Make sure all your text, images, and formatting are exactly how you want them to appear in the final PDF. Carefully review the document one last time, checking for any errors or layout issues. This crucial preparation step ensures your exported file will be flawless, ready for sharing or printing with complete confidence. Once your Google Docs document is complete, head to the File menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down options, select Download, and then choose PDF document. Google Docs will then process and download your file directly to your computer's Downloads folder. This method ensures all your document's elements are preserved accurately, giving you a high-quality, shareable PDF within moments. Converting a Google Sheet to PDF offers great control over presentation. Open your spreadsheet, then navigate to the File menu and select Print. In the Print Preview window, you can customize the page orientation to portrait or landscape, choose your paper size, and even adjust the scaling. Fine-tune these settings to ensure your data fits perfectly on the page, avoiding awkward breaks before saving as a PDF. Beyond specific Google apps, the Universal Print to PDF option is incredibly versatile. Whether you are in Google Chrome, Gmail, or even Google Keep, simply press Ctrl-P on Windows or Command-P on a Mac. In the print dialog box that appears, change your printer destination to save as PDF. This creates a PDF of the current web page or document, saving it directly to your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.